In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and organize pages in Weebly. Whether you're new to Weebly or just looking to refine your website, this guide will walk you through the steps to easily add new pages and organize them to suit your needs. Let's get started by heading over to the Weebly website. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. First, type in your email address. Make sure it's the email associated with your Weebly account, and then click Next. You'll need to enter your password as well. Type that in carefully, double check to ensure it's correct, and then click the Login button. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Weebly overview page. This is the dashboard where you can manage your sites. From here, you'll want to select the site you wish to edit by clicking on the Edit Site button. This action will take you to the Weebly editor, the main area for making changes to your website. Now focus your attention on the Pages tab located in the editor. Click on it to access the Pages section, which is where you'll manage all your website pages. To add a new page, locate and click the plus sign icon. When you click it, you'll see various page types you can choose from. For this tutorial, we'll go with a standard page. Select it, and then you'll be prompted to give your new page a name. Think about what this page will be for, and choose a name that's descriptive yet concise. After naming your page, don't forget to click the Done button to save your work. Now that you have added a new page, organizing them is just as vital. You can do this by simply clicking and dragging the pages within the sidebar of the Pages section. If you want to create a drop-down menu, perhaps to nest pages under a main category, drag the desired page slightly to the right underneath another page. This will create a drop-down section, making your navigation more organized and user-friendly. Finally, once you're satisfied with your new pages and organization, it's time to make your changes live. Look for the Publish button, usually situated at the top of the editor. Click it to update your website with all the modifications you've made. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add new pages and organize them in Weebly. This process not only enhances the structure of your site, but also ensures your visitors have a seamless navigation experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in setting up your Weebly website effectively.